Whatever music is playing in this video is gonna be music from my cousin Nova. Nova, send me some more music. Happy Saturday, y'all. Standing right out here on the streets of Chicago. It is early morning. It's 9:03 in the morning, August 12th. August 12th. Let's get this day started, y'all. Come on, let's do it. We are on the big bus, so our next stop, the next bus is coming in about 15 minutes. So what this is, it has several different stops throughout the city. You just buy a ticket, get on the bus, any stop you want to get off, you just jump off when that bus stops.
What do you call a teacher? A private tutor.
That's pretty good.
I thought it was good. Excuse me. When the hand is like this, that means don't go nowhere. Because the cars come around and get 50 points. Everybody go like this. Good job.
The bus is packed. It is crowded. It's standing room only. Let me show you. I don't know whether you can see that. Whoop. Can't even get upstairs, y'all. The bus is packed. Y'all look at my girl right here. She just subscribed to the channel. So she just made this big bus worth it. Got me a new subscriber right here. And she's a Chicagoan. She said during the week it's not crowded. So take note, y'all. If you're coming during the week, it's not crowded. But she said everybody's gonna get off at Navy Pier. They have a lot of small vendors out there. So we gotta go and support the small business owners at Navy Pier. Small business, that's right. We like small business because we support y'all. So everybody gonna be getting off at Navy Pier. But we still got a long ways to go before we get to Navy Pier. It's a long way, y'all. But she making it worthwhile.
Shining bright, see the cradles. Light the stars all night, good we can stay up. Sunrise, get me tired before I wake up. Open your eyes, let me show you what I'm thinking of. Loving you right, you're not in the backseat. Put it in drive, we keep it classy. Look at the way that I ride, I know that you wanna be mine. Tell me if you see the signs, let everything else align. Why you making me wait? Girl, I've been standing outside, got me waiting all night. Need to let me in the house, you know I can do you right. So why you making me wait? Scrolling through my mind, you the trending topic. Girl, I'm always here to help, you know I'ma keep it solid.
get on the boat.
But in front of us, most photographed buildings in Chicago, Marina City, known by their nicknames, the Corn Cobs of the Midwest. Completed by his student, Amit van der Rohe. His name, Bertrand Goldberg.
Get into the money, that's the first thing I'm thinking about when I'm waking up. Scrolling through my Twitter feed, people breaking up. All this negativity, why can't we show love? I swear this life is a reality TV show. So many different episodes, binge watching season 4. Reality TV show, so many different episodes, binge watching season 4. Keep up, change the scene, go now, go up with the team, strong now. I see it, that's the 7, hometown. And now I'm riding through the city, feel like Arthur Blank. I just did a show up in New York, man. Different levels, but this shit the same thing. Gotta stay consistent, gotta maintain. They say I'm kinda tired, but lenses on me. I remember days back in Shawnee. I remember flipping in the morning. Now it's legendary nights when we touring. When you're young, you can move and make it happen. You just gotta be yourself, even when they laughing. Can't let them get into your head, keep sticking to your passion. We taking action. Reality TV show, so many different episodes, binge watching season 4. Reality TV show, so many different episodes, binge watching season 4.
Got a sausage on it. And I got the french fries. Beef is good. It's good, yeah.
That's all.
Trying to get ourselves together so we'll be able to get up out of here early in the morning since we have such an early flight. So I will see you all in the morning. Good night. Good morning. We are at the airport in Chicago, headed back to Atlanta. It's 5:34 in the morning. It's early in the morning. We got up about 3 o'clock. I just wanted to pop in real quick, close this vlog out, and just thank you guys for hanging out with us. Thank you so much. You have no idea what it means to me. And if you are new to this channel and you have not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, hang out with us and enjoy the fun. Our next trip will be on a cruise in September. It's a really good cruise, so I'm not gonna tell you what ship. It's a really good ship, so it's a big ship. big ship. So thank you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed this trip. Have a great day. We're going to have a good flight back to Atlanta and see you on the next trip.